Want to measure KPIs using teamwork.com, but don't know where to start? In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about using Teamwork to track your key performance indicators effectively. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you a secret bonus that'll make your experience with Teamwork even more valuable. If you're looking for a way to streamline your project management while measuring performance, teamwork.com is one of the best tools for the job. Whether you're managing teams, monitoring progress, or analyzing metrics, Teamwork's robust features can help you track your KPIs with ease. First things first, when you open teamwork.com, you're going to be greeted by a simple yet powerful dashboard. This is where all your project details, timelines, and tasks will live. Now, in order to measure KPIs, you need to define your metrics. Do you want to track project completion times? Teamwork has you covered. Do you need to see how much time your team is spending on tasks? Yep, that too. Start by setting up your projects within Teamwork. Whether you're working on client projects or internal initiatives, you can break your project down into individual tasks and assign them to the right team members. Each task can have deadlines, time estimates, and dependencies. This is important because it will help you gauge your team's productivity and determine if you're meeting your KPIs. Next, use the time tracking feature in Teamwork. This is a game changer when it comes to measuring KPIs. By tracking the time spent on individual tasks and projects, you can monitor efficiency and ensure deadlines are being met. Teamwork makes it easy for you to see if your team is spending too much time on certain tasks or if they are moving through the project at a healthy pace. You can even pull up detailed time reports to see exactly where resources are being spent. Another key feature that's vital for KPI tracking is the milestones tool. Teamwork allows you to set milestones for each project, helping you track progress towards larger objectives. When a milestone is reached, you can quickly assess whether or not you're on track. These are your mini KPIs that can be tied to bigger business goals. Teamwork also gives you access to customizable dashboards, which is perfect for monitoring KPIs. You can choose which metrics you want to see and how they're presented, whether it's the total time spent on a project, task completion rates, or the overall project health. This helps you stay on top of your goals without having to dig through endless spreadsheets or reports. It's all in one place, neatly organized, and tailored to your needs. Now, if you want to take your KPI tracking a step further, Teamwork allows you to integrate with other tools like Google Analytics, Slack, or even accounting software, so you can pull in external data to give you a fuller picture of your performance. These integrations allow you to see KPIs from multiple sources in one place, helping you make data-driven decisions. The best part is that you don't have to pay to get started with Teamwork. You can use the software for completely free from the first link below, and I've also got some exclusive bonuses for you that will make your setup even smoother. But the real kicker is the extended free trial that will help you dive deeper into all of Teamwork's features without worrying about your budget. Remember, whether you're tracking time, managing tasks, or analyzing your team's productivity, Teamwork.com is an incredibly versatile platform that makes it easy to track your KPIs and keep your projects moving forward. With the features I've shown you today, you'll be well on your way to mastering KPI measurement in no time. So don't forget, click the first link below for your exclusive bonus and an extended free trial, and start measuring your KPIs like a pro with Teamwork.com today.